Kittl has ready-made video templates for you to adapt to your own brand, product, or merch. In this video, we'll start with one of the templates and walk you through changing the design and regenerating the flow so that you can get started with your first AI video. In this example, we have a coffee packaging brand with several different flows connected to the initial design. We'll focus on the middle flow that has a video attached to it. To keep it simple, I'm just going to change the text and color of this design that was made in Kittl, but you could upload your own design or completely change it if you'd like. Now I can select the smartboards that are attached to my design and regenerate them, and you'll see all of the images update with our new color and text on the coffee bag. Now we can go to our smartboards down below that are in a 9:16 format and regenerate them, and I'll change the color of the studio background to be more in line with our new color scheme. After those have finished regenerating, we can select our video board where you can see the first and final frame already attached. You can also change the video model, length of time, and other settings if you would like, but I'm going to keep it set to the same settings as the original video. And in just a few minutes, you have a unique video for your design, product, or merch. There are so many video templates to explore, and we're adding more every week. So be sure to check the links down below so you don't miss any new content. If you'd like to learn more about how Kittl flows and video generation works, you can check out some of our recent tutorials here on the channel and drop any comments you have down below. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.